big mess. Look at what I did, y'all. Look at what I did to the Bagster. I got a cleaner, I got a detailer. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, y'all. If y'all new to the channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, go and get that bell icon, a nice go to rub down. I've reverted back to the original T-Rex design, as you can see. And the weird thing about it is, now that I'm looking at this, I actually like it like this. I know that I changed it originally because of the seats that I had, but we all know we can't use those seats. So I'm in the process now of trying to figure out how we're going to actually do the actual seats. Right now, you guys, because we're pretty much done, it's just a few other things that I got to do. We got to mount the radiator. We got to do a few other smaller little mounts and everything else like that. I had the headlights coming, so we're going to go ahead and do the wiring for the headlights, and we're going to remove these mirrors. Might not be able to use those mirrors as well, which kind of sucks, but it's all good. After that, you guys, we're going to go ahead and take everything apart, everything off. We're going to go ahead and get it sanded, and after we get it sanded, it's time for paint, you guys. We're going to go black. We're going to keep the red for the rims. I'm working on the design now, you guys, and trying to figure out what color scheme I want to go with. I was on Instagram and I came across this photo right here of this Ferrari F8 Spider, and I saw the colors and I was like, good gracious, that thing looks gorgeous. This is actually the idea that I had for the original design. I wanted to go white with the body, red as you can see on the rims, and then the seats on the other end, we were gonna go red with the seats. But after looking at this and seeing how they have the white seats, I actually think I might do that. So we're gonna custom make the seats and we're gonna do it white, and I'm gonna do the red interior just like this. I think that'd be pretty dope. I'll post up a picture of what that looks like. I did it in the 3D program just to kind of fiddle around with the colors. Tell me what you guys think. Do you guys think I should go red with the body and then white with the interior, or do you guys think I should go white with the body and red with the interior? Of course, you got to keep in mind we're going to stick with the red rims and black controls, black frame. I don't know. Leave it in the comments, you guys. Let me know what you think. A few other things that I wanted to do. We got to do the mounts for the side coils. We got to do the mounts for the coils, the mount for the ignition, which will be built onto the body. So I'm not really worried about that right now. Headlights, I'm not worried about either because we're doing the body. Oil cooler, we need to do the mount for that so that way we can get it off of, like, from hanging from right there. Radiator, of course, we know. Seat belts, we're going to redo the mounting points for the seat belts, only because of, again, like I said, we're doing the seats. So we're just gonna, I already got the mounts already. I just gotta sand them and shape them, get those mounted on there. The motor mount for the rear, we got to redo. Intake hose fitment, not really worried so much about that because I won't be able to 3D print that, but I can fiberglass that, so that's going to be done. Chain guard, we got to do that of steel, so I got to get some, actually I have steel that I can use, so we're going to do that. And then the speaker pods, which is like the last thing that we're going to do, that's going to all be mounted onto the body as well, so I'm not really worried about that. Another note, you guys, even though I know that I'm still in the process of working on this build, you guys, I'm actually considering working on another project. Now, what's going to happen, you guys, I'm hoping that by spring, this will be completed. I mean, done, like done, like stick a fork in it. If so, then it's time for another project. You guys tell me what you think about this. The BAC Mono. Joe, I'll drop a picture right here, right now. Bruh. I seen this joint. I almost peed on myself. Like, this joint was crazy. So I'm thinking about doing a replica. I've already been doing a lot of work, and I got in contact with my guy Stefan. You know, shout out to Stefan. I got in contact with my guy Stefan, and it's funny because he actually was thinking the exact same thing. So yeah, we was already talking about a few different ideas that we were going to do as far as the next build, and we were thinking about, you know, you got the Aerial Atom, you got the K1 Attack. It's so many different, you know, so many different ways you can go with it. So we were sitting there talking, and it's funny because I sat there and I said, hey yo, have you heard of the BAC Mono? And he said it's funny because he was actually thinking about stepping down that lane. So I was like, well, we did a little bit of work. I already was doing some studying and some research and everything else like that, and I came across pretty much everything that I needed to really get the build going, you guys. Tell me what you think. Would you guys like to see that build? This is definitely next step for me. I have a few options of what I'm thinking. I would love to be able to use like a Corvette motor for it, but what I'm thinking is we can keep it motorcycle-y and give it a motorcycle motor, and we can find maybe like a Hayabusa or something like that and throw that in there, or we can make it electric. I did some searching and I was able to find some Tesla motors and drivetrains and everything else like that I would need to be able to do. So I'm thinking I might make it electric. You guys tell me what you think. Would you guys like to see an electric BAC mono, or should I keep it motorcycle-y and throw maybe like a Hayabusa in that joint? Y'all tell me what you think. I don't know. Other than that, y'all, it's cold in this joint. Well, it's not really too cold. I got the little heater. It don't work, but it's good. Shout out to Home Depot. You guys let me know what you think, yo. Should I go ahead and get started on that build? Once we finish this, you guys, we're gonna take this, we're gonna paint it, we're gonna start doing the fiberglass and everything else. Once we do the fiberglass and get that working, you guys, then I'm gonna go ahead and actually start working on the frame for the BAC mono. Do you guys think I should do that? Do you guys think I should make like an electric supercar, or do you guys think I should go ahead and stick with the motorcycle motor? The motorcycle motor would be a lot more easier to deal with. The electric, that'll be a first for me. I dabble in, you know, electric and technology and all that other good stuff, so it'll be fun for me. But yeah, you know. So anyways, you guys, I got some work to do. I got to get this room cleaned up. We got a little bit more work that we have to do. I feel so bad for the Bagster. The Bagster is filthy. I have to clean her, get her cleaned up and everything else like that, but we're going to be moving her eventually because I really don't want to have it like this when I'm working in here like this. Gonna be working on a few mods for this vehicle, you guys. I'm gonna be taking and replacing the radio on it. I want to do some bars. We're gonna do some custom bars. I'm gonna make them myself. If you're new to the channel, man, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, get that bell icon, a nice good old rub down, y'all. We almost there, baby. We almost there. She looking good. She looking good. She looking good, y'all. I love y'all. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe out there. If you're in the area and you around that snow, stop driving in a damn Prius down the street and get you a 4x4. All right, y'all, let me go in and get up out of here, man. Yeah, now, I love y'all, man. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe out there. Until the next time, I catch you on the flipsies. Deuces. I can't wait to finish this drink, y'all. Springtime, baby. Let's do it.